How y'all doing? Seriously, hi guys. I know I have been MIA. Most of you guys are gonna know that I've had my A-level exams over the past few weeks, around a month now, and I'm finally finished. So I can finally live my life. I've been so inconsistent on my YouTube. I don't know when this is gonna be uploaded, but I'm back and I'm better. You can see by today's title. So that is my excuse. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're watching this video. Girl, if your room looks like this, I want you to stand up right now. We need to get our lives together, babes. Like, this is not us. Time check, it is currently 12:05. So mind you guys, I have places to be. Like, I'm sleeping over at my friend's house today, so because we're going, okay, you didn't ask. You didn't ask. You generally didn't ask, so maybe I should get cleaning. Yeah. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is to clean out like my drawers and the space in them. So I think I put all like my dirty clothes over here. Like, this is what I do. This is why I feel like I need a like laundry basket type situation for my room, because it gets so bad in terms of like the clothes on the floor because I have nowhere else to put them when they're dirty, and I don't want to put them back with my clean clothes. So right now, first thing I'm gonna do is take these clothes and take them downstairs and put them in the wash. But another thing also that's been making my room like quite a mess is that I've been receiving a lot of like packages and PR. No, honestly, that most of them have been PR from brands, which is like, so like it's not giving overconsumption for it, but like so I've just finished taking all my bedding downstairs. I also took like some of the white clothes that I had on the floor, but I think I'm gonna tackle that area right now. It's a mess. I have like my books and all my school stuff that I genuinely don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I think I'm gonna get like some black bags and like literally throw everything in there because I'm obviously not gonna use them again. So yeah, that's gonna be chaotic, but let's go. Well, I'm already tired and I haven't even done anything, barely. Like, girl, you don't have the room to be tired. But I don't know, today's also very like gloomy and it's been like sunny recently, so like I'm just like, why are you not sunny? Like, but we have work to do, so let's continue. spider. I swear, I literally cannot empty my room without finding at least one spider. Ah. Hey guys, so now we are at my drawers and we are gonna get to those. Yeah, I'll just be folding clothes. Honestly, this is probably gonna take me 20-ish minutes. I don't think it should take me that long because I'm pretty quick when I lock in, and we're gonna lock in right now.
I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong.
Hi guys, it's currently 4:03. So I've literally been cleaning for so long. I'm so tired, and just to add to my tiredness, yeah, so our vacuum, like my vacuum to vacuum like the carpet is broken, so I'm having to sweep. But like not like with a broom, with like a dustpan. I'm having to sweep so I can get like everything, because the broom's not gonna do the proper job, and this is also gonna take me really long. But after that, I'm actually have to pack and leave. Like
a tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you, or do you not think so far?
hey guys, so I am finally finished. Y'all, time check, it's currently 4:37. So it took me, how long? 5 hours. So it wasn't that bad, but I'm glad my room is finally clean. Hopefully, you know, you have been cleaning your room, because if you haven't, girl. But I feel so fresh, I feel so clean, I feel like that girl, and I'm glad that I will leave my room in a clean state before leaving it. If you watched until this part, I so appreciate you watching, and I'll see you all in the